everyone, thanks for joining me for my snack meal prep video for this week. So this week I'm going to make some protein energy balls with almond butter and some sugar-free chocolate chips. So this recipe is super easy, super quick, and our snacks will be ready to go for the week. I'll put the recipe for this one in the description. Like I said, it's really easy. It's gonna be with some coconut flour, some sugar-free dark chocolate chips. I have powdered monk fruit, vanilla extract, almond butter, and some maple syrup. So these are really great to have to stay healthy for this week. So I'll make these and we'll be ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna use 1 cup of almond butter. You can use regular smooth peanut butter if you like, but I'm gonna use almond butter this week. So I have 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of powdered monk fruit sweetener, and I have 1/4 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'll mix this all together. And once it's all mixed, we will form our balls for our protein energy balls for the week.
All right, so I've rolled the mixture into little balls and they're all about the same size. So once I am done rolling them into the balls, I'm gonna chill them in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. It'll let them harden up and then they'll be ready to go for the week.
All right, so these protein balls are all ready to go for the week. They've been chilling in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. So now they're all set. I'm gonna store them in an airtight container in the fridge, and we have our snacks ready to go for the week. Check the description box for the recipe if you wanna make these. They're so delicious. And thank you for watching. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.